Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
So today we want to unboxing this thing that we got.
Toys.
No. Come, we see. Okay, we open it. I already cut it just now.
Yeah.
Wait, that one. No. Turn. What?
There.
What?
And then this one. Table.
Okay. There, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. Take it out first. Cannot.
This is one. Can put on here.
This one is LCD monitor, guys. LCD monitor. It has 2 ports of connection. You can use the HDMI and then you can use the VGA, the blue one here. The HDMI cable is included. The HDMI cable is included in the box.
You see. But you wanted to open it. The door is for the wire.
Here. Okay, come.
Cable. One.
One.
I want to open.
Okay. There, sure.
See.
Satunya. Okay, then. This one you put here. You put on the table. You stand here. Stand this way.
See guys. Wire.
Then the charger
Charger for the computer.
for the monitor.
Monitor. This one.
Okay, here, this one. Listen, nah. This one, put here. There, put here, see. Come.
This one.
Put here. You full your finger. Come, there you go. Then, badan, nah. Badan. Here. Put here. Okay. Badan, nah. Put here. Nah, put here.
Here.
Yeah. Put down. There, see.
See guys.
Now. The adapter. And this one is the
How
HDMI.
to open?
Ready.
See guys. This is the wire. This is the charger.
Cable.
This
Cable.
cable. Hello. Put on your face. I put on your face. You still want put on your face.
Okay, ready, come here.
Don't put
This one
where?
can take out. Come, take out this one. From here. Take it out. Pull it. Slowly.
Yeah.
Slowly. Down again. Okay. Ready.
Amen.
Come. Rubbish. Here. Rubbish put here. Okay.
Hi. Yes.
Put here. Okay. Ready?
Don't get where, Daddy.
No. Hey, Brandon,
This one.
see the camera there.
See guys, already finished there. Already finished. But I'm not finished. Why are we not finished? Why are
Wire letter to the computer. Okay,
okay.
that is all. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Hello guys, so now we want to take our dinner. Our early dinner. This one last time, this country kitchen was at that corner there. That corner there. So now they move here guys. There you see the queue so long there. Later.
Country Kitchen Padungan. Country Kitchen. Deh. They're outside already. Cheers. So exclusive already. Look there. It looks so exclusive. There guys, so many choices.
Auntie there, very far.
Very long.
Very long.
Yeah, this is very long.
I think we see what they have.
Okay. But tomato. Get one more then. Pula tu.
Kasih satu lagi suhu itu.
Itu sotong kah itu?
Tambah lagi.
Ah, boleh.
Satu lagi.
Satu lagi.
Manicay.
Oke.
Eh.
Nasi satu lagi.
I want api oh.
Nasi 01. Nah. Oke. Ya, tidak. Tidak.
Nanti Bika.
Kan. Ya.
This one just now is the lemon fish. Fish fillet, RM1, one piece, guys. No wonder they give one by one now.
Ya, tambahin na. Okay, listen, Mom.
Okay guys, we eat first. This one just now is sotong.
Sotong.
Masak
Kumpau.
cili kering.
Kumpau
Kecap
kan?
cili kering.
Cili kering.
Wow. No, sit down please. Campur manis with egg and tomato with
So we
egg.
egg.
Masak sauce. Okay, makan.
Okay.
Hello guys, so we eat first. Coffee. Finish our food guys. Ludes. Bison say Ludes. Okay, so now we want to go back. Okay, come. Bring it, Bring it.
That's how we like it now. Oh, that's the beef, you know. No, I don't see that one. At first I look for that beef.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessica JVST. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessica JVST to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.